Babes, did you want to get me some mints in my handbag, please?
Your handbag?
Yeah.
You know, me and your handbag.
Don't say anything.
We don't.
My handbag is nicely organized. It's in the side pocket.
Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff here.
What stuff?
So, this is why guys never have handbags. Because it's just, I mean, with your start in this.
You use all of that stuff. It's in the side pocket. You'll see the little red
You can't even see the
box.
side pocket. There are two side pockets here, actually. Listen.
It's not.
Why don't I drive? Just turn off here, I'll drive, and then you find it, because
this
is just impossible.
Okay, so Daniel is usually very quick to complain about all of the goeders that I have in my handbag. Now, goeders refers to stuff in Afrikaans. But there was one time where he actually tore a small hole in his pants, and I was able to fix it temporarily because of a small item that I was carrying with me. Whether you carry small purses or bigger tote handbags, there are certainly a few items that every woman should definitely carry in her handbag. And in this week's video, I'm going to share with you a list of 12 very essential items that you have to carry with you that you'll actually use. Let's get into the video. Okay, so some of the obvious stuff that you'll carry with you will be a pouch with your makeup, your cell phone, your wallet, and then definitely a little bag with your sanitary items, and maybe even some lip balm. But I'm here to give you a list of the not so obvious additional items that you have to carry with you, and stick to the end for a bonus tip. Let's start with number 12. A small travel sewing kit. Now this item is definitely underrated. It's something that you don't think you'll necessarily need until the day that you tear a shirt or you lose a button. When you think, oh shucks, I should actually keep a sewing kit on hand. And what's great is that it actually has another item in it that I wanted to add to the list, which is a safety pin. Another essential and very super important item to have in your handbag. Now, a compact mirror is something that we tend to think we don't need, because wherever we go there might be bathrooms with mirrors, or, this is a tongue twister for our Afrikaans girl, the rear view mirror in your car, or your rear view mirror, even the rear view mirror in, I have to say this slowly, rear view mirror, maybe the rear view mirror. But a compact mirror can be a great thing to have close by if you maybe get something in your eye and there's perhaps no bathroom nearby. So definitely have this in your handbag. A power bank. Now I've got a super big one because Daniel and I travel a lot, so I need to charge my cell phone at least once to twice sometimes when we travel, and even my iPad. But you get some great smaller power banks that are perfect if you don't like something too big or bulky. And remember ladies, to take a cable, otherwise your power bank is going to be relatively useless. Now quick, just before we continue, all the products that I'm mentioning in this video today, I've added all the links for you in the video description below, because obviously you want to buy yourself some of these awesome essentials for your handbag. So go and fill up those shopping baskets. Now back to the wet wipes. You can even use hand sanitizers, but I rather prefer wet wipes because it's basically a 2-in-1. It works great if you want to clean your face, your hands, or even flat surfaces. Band-aids. Now, I usually buy a big family pack and then I take 2 of each size or type, and I mean they're so small, so I just keep them in my wallet. However, if you do have a bigger handbag, you can even get one of these great first aid compact kits. Now, I know there are a few of you ladies that probably already have these in your handbag, but this is just a fresh reminder. always keep a hairbrush, hair comb, hairpins, and a hair tie in your bag. And check this out. I am a sucker for any little nifty thingamabobs, thingamajig stuffies. I found this awesome compact hairbrush online, and it even has a mirror in it. And it just folds up real compact and tiny like this. It's going to be great for any purse or handbag, so definitely get you one of these. A pen and a notebook. Nikita, really? We live in a modern world where we've got cell phones to make our notes. Ladies, do not underestimate your need for a pen and paper at some point in time. Remember that cell phone batteries only last so long, especially if you don't have your power bank or your cable on you. So get a notebook and a pen. Now, my husband and I tend to get super bad hay fever, especially during the changing of seasons or even from some trees or certain plants. So I always make sure that I have a pill box in my handbag with some antihistamine for allergies, aspirin for pain, and even a tablet for heartburn or nausea. Just quick on another note, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below and show your support by liking and sharing my videos to your family and friends. Now, make sure that you always have a packet of tissues in your handbag. This is definitely something that will come in handy at some point in time. Another one of those items that you don't think you'll necessarily need until you actually get to a situation where you think, oh my goodness, I should have put on some sunscreen. And that is exactly why I'm here. You get these awesome nifty little sunscreens that you can put in your handbag that definitely does not take up a lot of space. This is a great item to have with you, especially on those extra sunny days. A nail file and a pair of tweezers are actually two of the items that I wanted to mention for this list, but then I saw these awesome travel size nail kits on Amazon that actually has a nail file, nail clipper, tweezers, and a pair of small scissors in it. How great is that? I do have one like this, but this is obviously way too big for a handbag, so I'm definitely going to get one of these travel sizes for myself. Now, this is something that I learned many years ago from my mumsy. I always have a tube of hand lotion in any bag that I carry. One of my favorites are Nivea's Q10 hand lotion, as it is very lightweight and non-greasy, because I don't like my hands to have that oily and wet feeling. Now, in a high crime country like South Africa, pepper spray is probably one of the #1 items that I would recommend any woman definitely have in her handbag. But irrelevant from the country that you live in, you can't put a price on your safety and your life. So always try to keep a can of pepper spray with you. Amazon sells these really awesome pepper sprays that also has a safety feature so it doesn't accidentally go off in your purse. And then you gas yourself. Remember to take it out of your handbag before you actually fly abroad or before you go through a security system, so you don't get stuck like Nikita at the Hong Kong airport with the police questioning you because you completely forgot about the pepper spray that you had in your handbag. Let's just say that crocodile tears, that's an understatement. Now please, ladies, indulge me and tell me about any unusual or even other essential items that you found useful that you carry in your handbag. Put them in the comment section down below. And remember, life might be tough, but so are you. See you in the next video. Bye.